Hey, no-handed bandit here, checking in. I got a life, and it is this. This is a twisty tie thingy coated with rubber, and we have these handles that we have to hold down all the time. So what you can do is squeeze it and then tie this thing so that you don't have to hold it down all the time. Okay, looks like this. Possibly you have to gas mower, so you're gonna pull start it, but while you're pull starting, you're gonna first do the twist tie. But this one, we have now that I got this end with my hook, and just wrap it around like this. The Max, they're hacked.